of work has been done because of the committee recommendation they gave to the team that was on the site. Typical example is creation of fire belt. As we speak, the community, in conjunction with Ghana Tourism Authority, have started a lot of tree planting exercise to control the forest around Kintampo Waterfalls, so that fire may not enter the place as it happened. And also the tree checks. Most of the trees that were damaged by the bushfire, which was posing as a threat to the people who will be going there, has been removed. So the safetyness of the place has been enhanced. I also thank the ministry and also Ghana Tourism Authority for having put in place well-trained tour guides who also act as rapid safety response team at the Kintampo Waterfalls. It is attracting the needed visitors and its associated revenues. It will interest you to know that even though the committee did not recommend a walkway, we thank the minister. A beautiful walkway is being added to Kintampo Waterfalls, and I think it's being done by the Bunsu Arboretum Group. However, there is issue of insurance. I think the insurance coverage maybe should be a national one that need to be looked at to cover not only Kintampo Waterfalls, but maybe all other tourist sites in the country. Health post is something which was recommended, but as at now, the structure is there, and we are doing everything possible to convert some of the structure to become a health post. We also thank the ministry for coming up with revenue appropriation method. Now, we have something reserved for the management and maintenance of the waterfalls to make it very safe. And the people of Kintampo extend their appreciation to the ministry, the minister, especially the vice president, for giving Kintampo a first lifting, and icing on the cake was the mega relaunch of Kintampo Waterfalls, which was witnessed by His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and the Honorable Minister for Tourism herself was there, and that has actually told the world that Kintampo Waterfalls is back. And now, let me take this opportunity to invite members of the House that Kintampo Waterfalls has been you are safe.
I think that is a more critical question. It's back.
Kintampo Waterfalls is back to life and now safer than ever. So we are inviting all of you to visit Kintampo Waterfalls to patronize the beauty we have in the center of Ghana.